Let's see what we got here today. I say you need to be quiet because Daddy has to. Exactly. All right. All right. Yes, baby. You want to get down?
Teachers are working. Can I want to paint.
Oh, of course. Yeah, we'll paint today for sure. For sure, we'll do some painting today, baby.
Yeah. School sorry, can we pick a more up first and then we can paint?
Yeah.
Then we go.
Yeah, you know we can't leave Amara out of painting. And I think we're getting Bubba today too.
Too?
If he wants to come today.
Okay. Good idea, Daddy.
Good idea.
Our phone is good night.
Okay.
This time I'm not being mean to my brother.
What? Why would you be mean to your brother?
But I don't want to be mean to brother anymore.
Why would you be mean to him before? You was being mean to Bubba?
Yeah.
When?
But accident we were playing upstairs. I actually come up and we was playing and then Amar got hit and Amar got hit. And you remember that?
Did I remember that?
Yeah, like Bubba just hit Amar. Oh.
Yeah, I don't remember that.
I don't either.
You don't either?
And
But you brought it up.
And I said, oopsies. I told Daddy.
Hmm.
And then and I didn't. You say, oh. I think you said something.
All right. So currently sitting at, I'm not talking to you, baby. Currently sitting at a level of resistance right here. The question is, can we get a close above this level right here? Every time price gets to this level, it reacts and it snaps back. But it looks like price wants to break through. We're making a nice series of higher lows here. So we got higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So we have a good possibility of potentially breaking through here. Looks like price wants to. So definitely going to be bullish on the day. Load up the contracts so that we're ready to go. We're going to try to keep it light risk. You don't want to get too crazy on Friday. I didn't trade Monday or Tuesday. Got a win on Wednesday. Lost yesterday. So we're just going to try to keep it light today. Oh, I love that hair, baby. That's so beautiful.
Look at the blue.
Yeah. Mm. Right, so we're going to identify the 15-minute orb, which is right here. So we got the orb right here, from here to here. There's the range. All right, so we got the range there.
One's coming.
Don't worry about that.
Hey, baby. baby girl. Love you.
Love you, baby.
I said love you, mommy.
Oh, you're not talking to me? Oh, I'm chocolate liver, huh? Mm-hmm.
Never.
Yeah, she looking for some trouble to get into.
It's gonna work today.
Who's gonna work today? Yeah, Bonnie was in trouble. Bonnie ate up one of my boxes the other day. Yeah, because she wasn't being a good girl. That's why.
Bad girl.
Mhm.
Bonnie's a bad girl.
I ain't gonna say all that. Bonnie's a good girl.
Bonnie's a bad. Where's your bad girl? Stop it. I'm not talking about. I'm on football. You like it?
I love it.
Me go ahead. That's cute. Hi, Bonnie. Hi, me. Hi, Bonnie. Go. Go.
Ooh, Bonnie. Lay down.
Play.
Bonnie, lay down.
She cursed her. She's still.
Yeah, you're just gonna have to leave for a while if you don't want her right there.
Oh, yeah.
You want her there? Okay. Then go tell her to move then. I think we're going to get a strong push this morning. I think we're gonna go ahead and take these entries. Honey, don't lick me right now, please. Stop it. Stop. Yeah, 8:45. Bonnie, stop. Yeah, I don't want Bonnie to lick me right
No.
now. We're gonna take the initial entry off out of the orb. We're just gonna try to see if we can get a push to this level. All right,
Order filled.
stops below here. That's a bigger long stop loss than I want to be in right now. And it's there. See if we can shorten the stop loss at all. All right, so we're in. We're looking for the initial push. I don't normally like taking this one, but I think we can get a quick push today, get in and out, and be done for the day. Normally, I like to wait for the break and the retest, but I think we're going to get a nice little push to end this 4-hour candle. We're going to start trailing. We're going to trail this tightly on the 1 minute. So we're already trailed to less than $100 with this. All right, we're break even. Risk off the table. We'll break even. Let's see if we can get that push. So far, so good.
Living pause. Living pause.
I'm hoping that this 5 minute retest doesn't come back and get me. I want to see it continue. Actually, we'll give it some space. We'll take right to break even. Beautiful. Once we clear this high, I'm gonna drill below this low. I think we're gonna get stopped here. Give it the space. I'm gonna give it the space. I want to give it the space to retest this level here. I think we're gonna get the continuation though.
What is that?
It's Daddy's microphone, baby.
Hello.
No, let's not do that. All right. Daddy's trying to make some money here. You see this right here? We need this. We need this to turn green. You see? Oh, you see this red one? Okay. We need it to keep going up. I don't want to go up.
Let me get right here.
Order filled.
Yeah. Should have kept my stops where they were at. Gotta take one more entry. 5 minute. We're gonna take one more entry here.
Order filled.
Maybe I'll do that, please. We're gonna go stop. Take profit back up again.
Order filled.
All right, another quick loss. That's okay. Because the question is, are we getting a failed move? Is this going to be a failed move? We're going to push back down. So let's see what happens here.
What it stays? What did I say the last time?
Huh?
What did I say the last time?
What did let's say the last time?
Two set auto field.
Oh, that's the computer. That's telling.
Order filled.
Why you keep saying that? Did you lose?
Yeah. Don't touch the keyboard, baby.
Just put you down.
Okay. This is our final attempt for today.
Why didn't you clean this? You didn't clean this. It's so dirty.
Does it? It's just a little dust, baby. Okay, well, I'll be sure to clean it just for you. Yeah, let's not touch that.
Okay. Mommy, you dada. Mommy, wait. No, it's a fox. Come here. Good girl.
No, the lights are on the desk.
See? That did change colors?
Yeah.
It did?
The lights aren't on, baby.
I was thinking of it. Oh, so you don't have batteries? You don't have batteries?
Oh, shoot, I'm sorry.
Order filled.
All right, we're done for the day. Actually, I'm not done. I feel like it's about to happen.
Your kid is upside down. Ring, 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 ring. Blue, 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 blue. Red one. Red, red, orange one. Hello. Green, green, blue, blue, blue. Blue, 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 blue. I'm trying to catch you. Where's my school?
Order filled.
I didn't look now.
Absolutely. Oh, get your feet off. Get your feet off. All right. Excuse me. All right, so let me lock in now. Oh, I'm not gonna say that. She is distracting me. All right, so we're down 237 on the day. That's perfectly fine. That is completely within my risk limit for the day. I'm okay with losing up to like 500 on a day. So we're still within my rules, risking about 500 a day. We're within that. And right now we're got 25. We're trailed in a profit $25. So even if this one doesn't go my way, we may take another attempt at it here. I feel like price wants to go for its run. It's just a matter of time. Yeah, I really want to see this 15-minute close outside the range. Trying to figure out how I wanna manage this one. I'm thinking, protect the capital, but also, do I want to play a little bit more aggressive? I don't know. Should I be trailing here? I don't really have any reason to, but I don't think there's any stopping points. I mean, I guess we have a stopping point like right here, which is where we're at. Kind of want to see a break through this level because we had this wick reaction right here previously. So I guess we do want to see this get broken, which is reacting to currently. We want to see this get broken and close. So we broke it. We already indicated we got through it with the wick. So, but we need to see it close above here. I feel like it wants to. We have a lot of bullish momentum here. A lot of bullish momentum here. So I mean, yeah, we're just gonna hold here. Patient. We're gonna be patient and hold here. If we can get a good push and hold above this level, I think I might trail to right below it. And then we'll just lock in, which would be like 400 on the day. It wouldn't be a crazy day, but it would be, I wouldn't be mad to just end the week. That would just be a nice little light week. A little bit above break even, not really hitting our targets for the week, but that's okay. It's better than ending in red. So we're gonna see if we can try not to end red, which is currently where we're sitting at. We're currently in the red on the week. really liking this moment here. This is what I was hoping for the day. First push right out of the zone. Great orb setup. If I would have just gave my initial trade some room to breathe, I would not be in drawdown on the day. So, you know, something for me to keep in mind later on. I'm going to go ahead and trail tightly here. I'm going to go ahead and just try to lock in that 500.
What are you doing, Daddy? Working?
Yes, baby.
You're working.
Yes, baby.
Stop raining.
That's good, baby.
Stop raining. Stop raining.
All right, so we're trailed 460 in the profit, which is going to just get us a little bit over break even on the week, which is decent. So, but if you know, if we can get a nice continuation here, we can have a decent day. Yeah, I like that. Hoping that we don't get a pullback here. I probably should be below this level right here, but I feel like we have nice, healthy price action here. We don't have any gaps, so I don't think we have a reason to come back and retest this level. Yeah, perfect. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful push of 625. We're floating 625 in profit, but we got 460 locked in. I'm going to trail to the bottom of this wick. Now we got 495 locked in, but we're floating 630, 630. I'm liking it. See if we can go ahead and hit my initial target, which is this blue line. But I did go ahead and stretch my stop. You might take profit all the way up here. So, you know, we can have a decent day today. This is looking really, really good. I'm really loving this. I don't want to trail too tight because now we got a gap here. So this is an area where we might be looking for price to retest back into. I think if we, can I get my indicator? So now that we got this gap right here, we got to look for price to potentially tap back in here. But you don't really want it to violate it. Baby girl, what are you doing over there? It sounds like a whole lot of something. All right, so floating almost 7. Yeah, we're floating 7. Really want to see this level right here not get broken. So yeah, price is resting. It's like it's creating a new support or resistance level here. So let's see this gap get filled. Hopefully it don't take us out in the process. Perfect, the gap is filled. So hopefully it don't have to come back any further than that. The gap just fills. We can get rid of that zone. We no longer have that imbalance here. I would love to see price flip and continue here. We're about to have a new 15-minute candle as well. So that can actually, okay, yeah, we're going to drill tighter because we don't want to get caught on this. I want, this next 15-minute candle is about to start, so we might get a pullback here. We may get stopped out. I really want to see it continue though. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. New 15-minute candle. Get the pullback and the continuation. Yeah, I think we're gonna get. Baby, stop. See, such a big 15-minute candle that this, I don't want to price to retrace back in here. I don't want to get caught in that. So we'll just take it. We'll take the 615 on the day. So if we get stops here, I'm just going to take that.
Order filled.
All right. So we're back up 375 on the day. I didn't want price to come all the way back here. I'll take 375 for the day. It's nothing crazy. It's nothing to write home about, but we showed up. We put in a little bit of work. You know, I'm out for the day. Should have managed it a little differently to potentially have a. This is a new Eval account, and I want to do my best to create a little cushion. Look, it looks like it wants to flip and continue. I probably should have kept my stop below this level here, but I'm okay with it. That's whatever. I didn't really what I'm not happy with is taking the 2 initial losses because I was correct about the direction. I just didn't give it enough space to breathe. So that's kind of where I'm not too thrilled because I probably would have managed this play a little bit differently if I didn't take those 2 initial losses. But it's all good. We live and we learn. But I'm out. Go play with my baby girl.